In front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this OPPO. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to click on password and security. Tap on face section over here and enter your current login method. Then click on continue. Keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now you can adjust all of those face unlock options however you wish to by tapping on chosen switchers next to all of those features, and when you're ready, click on home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, you can go into exactly the same settings. Tap on face, enter your screen lock and tap on this little bin icon next to face data. After that, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!